Hello friends, I'm Ellie, welcome to Cardboard Design.
Wow!
Today, I will show you how to make a CoComelon house with 2 garages from cardboard. I hope you will like it. I added a large cardboard block to make the second floor. I painted the living room walls pink. For the bedroom, I will use purple. Add a small window. Finally, for the kitchen, I will use yellow.
Wow!
I will make the roof for the house first. Add a small doorway in the attic. I use foam paper to make the roof. Arrange them in the following order to create a rainbow effect. Next, I use lace fabric decorated with little stars to make window curtains. I recycled cotton swabs, cutting off the ends. Attach a small purple bow for decoration. Add precious gems on top. I used 2 rectangular pieces of cardboard to make the bed. Wrap outside with white paper. I use a lot of cotton to make a very soft mattress. Use pink fabric to cover the outside, folding the edges neatly. Use scissors to cut off excess fabric. I will make a cute blanket. Decorate the surrounding border with pink lace. Create a highlight with white lace. Add lots of gems to sparkle. I use more red clay to decorate. Roll and flatten the clay. Use scissors to cut off the excess to create a watermelon shape. Add green clay to make melon peel. Draw more watermelon seeds inside. So we have completed a beautiful bed. Next, let's make the CoComelon face. I need to use a lot of green clay. This will be a bit difficult to shape. I need to use a lot of strength to round and flatten the clay. Use some pink clay to make CoComelon's face. Flatten it, then cut off the excess. Use a marker pen to add a watermelon rind pattern. Border the outside with white clay. Add a hat to CoComelon. Don't forget the 2 small whiskers. Let's make a cute face for CoComelon. A pair of big eyes, a bright smiling mouth. Add 2 blushes. I use some red clay to make the ladybug. Make a ladybug shape, press a line in the middle. Use black clay as the head. Add more black polka dots on the wings. I need a nightstand for the bedroom. Wrap outside with pink paper. Add a small drawer decorated with yellow string. Add a handle in the middle. Finally, attach the base and you're done. I used green foam paper to make a watermelon backpack. Cut a part to make a zipper for the backpack. To make the body, I drew the shape of a backpack on red foam paper. Cut according to the drawn image. Put the pieces back together. Don't forget to add a strap. Let's decorate it a little more. Do you know what shape I'm making? Yes, it's a cute bunny. Bring books to prepare for school. Do you like CoComelon's bedroom? Let's continue with the kitchen. I made a simple kitchen table from cardboard. Wrap outside with pink paper. Decorate kitchen cabinet doors with watermelon rind motifs. For the kitchen counter, I used the black stone pattern. Next, I made 2 small chairs for the kitchen. Use more cotton and cover the outside with pink fabric to make chair cushions. Cut off excess fabric. Add chair legs. The backrest for the chair will have a ladybug pattern in 2 colors, red and black. Let's make a simple stove from foam paper. Oh, lots of watermelons. Let's pick some. Next, I used brown clay to make a small plant pot. Plant a small cactus in it. Let's cook some food. I will need stairs to get down to the living room. I used colorful foam paper to wrap the outside. Decorated with sparkling gemstone thread. Let's make a shelf for the living room. I used pink paper to wrap the outside. Add 3 small yellow drawers. A TV is indispensable. I made 2 simple speakers to put next to the TV. I used red clay to make a table for the living room. Bordered with green clay fiber. Decorate the border a little. Add watermelon seeds on the table. Add table legs and you're done. To complete the living room, I needed a simple sofa. Purple will be the main color of the sofa. Decorate with pearl thread.
You're funny.
CoComelon house has been completed. Do you like it? Would you like such a house for yourself? Please like, share, subscribe to watch more great videos. Bye bye!
Ya, adesso mi trovi a capire, ma perché te non sai? No, già sta un po' di mai sono buono.